Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to give you guys a story time about how I go my day to day. As of right now, I made this video at like 6 p.m. Oh yeah, 6 p.m. So yeah, I already went to my day today, and I want to give you guys a story time how I went about apa sih when I go to my day to day or my daily activity today. So if you guys didn't know, today I have a class at like 5 a.m. And to make it works, last night I go to sleep at like 10 p.m. So you guys might think I'm going to be late, but luckily I set an alarm, double alarm. First is at 3 a.m. and the second is at 3:30 a.m. At first at 3 a.m. I didn't wake up, but at the 3:30 a.m. I actually wake up. But yeah, I try to to silence my alarm and tries to get back to sleep again. But there is something in my head that felt wrong at that time. And that is when I realized that I actually have a class at 5 a.m. So I jolted from my sleep, from my mind is still sleeping, but my body is like, like boom. Yeah, I need to go to the class today at 5 a.m. So I quickly take a shower, even though my mind is still sleeping, probably still sleeping in the bed, or my soul is actually still in the bed, but my body is in the shower. So after I get a shower, cold shower, as what did you expect from a 3 a.m. shower? It's cold. It's not something pleasant. It's not something pleasant. So yeah, never try it. And after take a shower, I go to the campus at like 4 a.m. And in the way, that is actually the most scariest. That is, I think, the most scariest moment in my life, experience in my life. Something I didn't know something like that could be so scary. Walking like right and left is rice field. Oh yeah, rice field. There is nothing peculiar happening, but my mind keeps playing something that I actually make me more scared than ever. It is makes a lot of scenarios of what if scenarios. The is it either I got killed by a begal? I do not know what is the name of begal. Is it bandit or something like that? And the second is you know uh a pocong is jumping at me, or like a kuntilana is flying straight at me, something like that. Okay, my mind making something scary. So yeah, at first I actually don't want to walk alongside that path, but yeah, but I realized that is the only way I could go to the school. So I forced myself to go there. Okay, and it's working. I even though I'm kind of late, I guess, because I actually arrive at the campus at like 4:30 a.m. But mind you, okay, the distance between my home and the campus is like 20 minutes. Okay, and that trip alone is costing me 30 minutes alone. So yeah, there is a good chance that those 10 minutes is I'm doubting myself wherever should I pass this road or not. But anyway, I get to the campus. I arrive at the campus at like 5, I guess. If I remember correctly, that is at 5. And yeah, the campus is still dark. There's no one in there. The security is sleeping on the bench. So yeah, I go to the class which is in the in I think is the most how do I say it, is the it's like the back parts of the campus, so yeah, it is still dark, so but luckily there is some light, so that is a plus point. That is until I go to the actual building of it. The building itself, it's actually a laboratories. More of like it is a biological laboratories, and yeah, it's still dark. So now my mind is playing a trick, playing what if scenarios again. What if the first scenario is, what if a zombie is straight up walking from one of those room, and the second is, what if a ghost is jumping at me from those windows of those laboratories. So yeah, I actually have another like I'm afraid on the way to to walk to the building. So yeah, another doubting minute, I guess, like 5 minutes, when I actually encourage myself to like, well, something like that wouldn't happen, right? Zombies and ghosts isn't real anyway. So yeah, I go to the lift, hit the third floor, cause that is my class, and once the lift open, it's dark. Everywhere is dark, So right there, I'm become a pussy, I'm back. I literally jump back to the elevator, So I quickly hit the button to go back to the first floor, And in the middle of the way to the first floor, I actually think to myself, there's nothing bad in here, Even if there's a ghost, they won't be harmful. So yeah, I actually click again the third floor button and go back to the third floor. And after that, I run to the class and turn off the light and shut down the door. And yeah, that is how I do my day to day. No, that is the first class, because there is another class. Uh, Anyway, there is actually after doing that class, I go to my friend boarding house. Spending time with him, like eating, playing video games, and something like that. And in the 2 p.m., I have another class. It is accounting. A pretty boring and stressful class, I make dare to say it. But yeah, it is pretty stressful. I can think straight when I actually do the class. In the class, I basically cannot think everything because I'm pretty stressed anyway because of it. And yeah, and the class is done at 5 p.m. when I actually make this video. So that's it, guys, for today's story time. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. No, 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 no. You don't need to do that. But yeah, I will be grateful. I will be happy if you guys give me a like and subscribe. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Now I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, enjoy. Oh, this is my friend. Hey.